Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. Simply start by typing the headings that you would like to include in the table of contents. Once you are done with it, navigate to the Insert tab at the top, click on Table of Contents, and then select the first one. Now, you can see that there is no heading included in the table. That's because we will need to indicate the headings so that Google includes them in the table. For that, select the heading, go to Formats, select Paragraph Styles, and then select Heading 1 from the menu. Once you do that, the heading will become larger. So just repeat the process for all of the other headings and you are done. If you don't like it, then just change it the way you want. And once you are done, click on Format, select Paragraph Styles, and then select Update to Match. Now, all of the headings will be changed to your desired format. After that, go to the top of the web page and click on this reload icon to get the complete table of contents. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.